Rodent control in New York, an ongoing urban challenge. New York City, known for its skyscrapers, vibrant culture, and millions of residents, is also home to another unwanted resident: rodents. Rats and mice have been a persistent problem in the city for centuries. Rodent control in New York is a constant challenge due to the high population density, the amount of garbage generated, and the urban conditions that favor their proliferation. Over the years, the city government has implemented various strategies to address this issue, with a particular focus on the public health and well-being of New Yorkers. The rodent problem in New York. New York has been dealing with rat infestations since its early days as a colonial city. Today, rats are a constant concern in residential neighborhoods, parks, streets, and subway stations. The areas most prone to infestations are those where the infrastructure is older and there is greater accumulation of waste. Not only are rodents a nuisance, they can also carry dangerous diseases such as leptospirosis and hantavirus, which pose a threat to pew factors. Contributing to rodent infestations. Several factors contribute to the city's rodent problem: waste and garbage. With a population of more than 8 million people, New York generates tons of garbage daily. Waste accumulation is a primary food source for rodents, which thrive in places where waste is not properly managed. Aged infrastructure. Many buildings in New York are decades or even centuries old. Cracks, dark basements, and aging sewage systems provide ideal hiding places for rats. Construction works. The constant renovation and construction of buildings, roads, and subway lines often disturbs the underground habitats of rodents, forcing them to seek refuge rodent control strategies. Over the years, the city has taken a variety of approaches to combat rodent infestations. Some of the most notable strategies include inspections and penalties. The New York City Health Department conducts regular inspections in areas prone to infestations. If signs of rodents are detected, building owners may be fined if they do not correct the situation. Public education. The city has launched campaigns to educate New Yorkers on how to properly store and dispose of trash. Residents are also encouraged to report rat sightings via the 311 hotline. Rodent-proof garbage containers. In an effort to reduce rodent access to food, rodent-proof garbage containers have been introduced in especially problem areas. Treatment with poison and traps. Although a controversial approach due to concerns about the safety of other animals and resistance to poisons, traps and the controlled use of pesticides remain key tools in the fight against rodents. Rat sterilization. Program. A more recent approach is rat sterilization, which seeks to control the population by reducing the reproductive capacity of female rats. This program is being trialed in several areas of the city in the hope of reducing rodent numbers in a more sustainable way, in residential or more visible areas. Like health. The role of residents in rodent control. The success of rodent control in New York does not depend only on municipal authorities. Residents play a crucial role. Keeping common areas clean, storing food correctly, and sealing cracks in homes are essential measures to reduce the presence of rodents. Cooperation between tenants, landlords, and local government is key to addressing the problem. Ongoing challenges and the future. Despite efforts, rodent control remains a challenge in a city as large and diverse as New York. Urban conditions and the constant generation of garbage complicate efforts to completely eradicate rodents. However, with the implementation of new technologies and innovative programs, there is hope that the city's rat population can be controlled more effectively in the future. In summary, rodent control in New York is a multifaceted problem that requires collaboration between authorities, public health experts, and citizens themselves. Although the challenge is great, ongoing initiatives show that the city is committed to keeping these undesirable residents at bay.